I used to do breeding more in corn, but I have had the opportunity to work with rice and many other crops.
Giri, the larger institution that supports us as well as the community of funders, has taken the right steps for us.
So, considering all those factors, this training program probably is going to feed one of the arrays
in Central Potato Research Institute as a plant breeder, and I've been working on this aspect, actually genomic selection, for past 3 to 4 years.
Which is a subsetting. So when you just write you put
But really summarizes the fields of physics that has been making progress for hundreds of years. The difference with genetics is that, of course, our field is kind of
each environment separately. Let's say I have 10 environments, and the special variation in one.
When you need to see that how nitrogen contribution is coming, then you need to differentiate it with. In every product, and sometimes the space allotted to somebody, the things is changing.
है ना, हमको effect मिला था. This is actually EJ effect. I will calculate the coefficient first, जो मुझे random effect से मिल जाएगा. वो मैं बताऊंगी कैसे.
Things play a wider role, and that's why I say the philosophy hasn't changed. What we do hasn't changed. Since our targets have moved to a different state of what exists, all focus on quantitative traits. Because they are controlled with so many genes, so many alleles, and the combinations of them.
Now the 10% of 2019 and then predict the 2019 along with 2017 and 8.
So they are taking out 30% of the 2019, 50%. Yeah, this one should be really small.
Investment on education is the #1 solution for the future. That was the belief that our fathers ages.
That's true. It is fine, but in heterozygous state, when it is in a heterozygous value,
The fact that there is a heterozygous doesn't imply that there is dominance. This could be zero as well.
alpha 1 is alpha 2.
Yes, this D1 is not the mean parent
This is D.
लगा रहा हूँ ये within the family variations को consider करना है कि नहीं जब generation
So I had a group of big guys from US, and they were big in otherwise also in size as well as in their positions.
Around we are genotyped with 1K Rika, then we have made test crosses.
2 cross with the 34 or maybe 65 to 32. So that will be because of
From the having the negative correlations or very poor correlations, I will.
we were getting 600 crosses. We don't wanted to take this
kernel length after cooking, aroma, and the duration. Every year, every generation.
And in Hyderabad, we can grow 2 crops per season. We are not using any RGI at all. Presently, we have our crop is in the 4th generation, having 6,000 legs.
400 to 500 seeds if it's a fully developed berry, and otherwise it's like 100 to 200 seeds you get in one berry. So if you make crosses and make
I hope you're not expecting some very inspiring speech or something. I'm MSc Botany from Lucknow University, MTech Biotech from IIT Kharagpur, and PhD Molecular Biology from the John Innes Center, UK. And sometimes it go to 40, sometimes 45, sometimes 30, sometimes 25.
She's managing them, screening them for drought and for DSR suitability.